What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to merge audio and video in Capcut. It's pretty easy, let's get right into it. Head over to your Capcut application, and once you're there, just head over to any video. So suppose I'm here, and in here, as you can see, this is a video I want to merge with an audio. So I'm just selecting the track and selecting sounds option, and here you will find lots of recommended sounds from Capcut, and also you will find your extracted audio from TikTok and from your saved option too. So currently I'm using this one. Just tap on the plus icon, and here you can just see that if I just select the option and just play it, and the audio and video is just merged together. So I'm just splitting here with my video, tapping the audio, tap on split and delete the extra one. And the audio is now merged with my video once I export it. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.